Hi everyone and welcome to week 15 of Writing 213. This is the last formal week of instruction with next week being final exams week. So this week we're engaging in the peer review, and if you submitted a draft to me over the weekend and I approved it, then I have added you to a peer review group. You can find that here. So notice that today you should use the blue share button to share your project with your classmates. And also, send them a note that tells them anything important about your project, what you would like them to focus on, if there's something you need them to pay special attention to, or if you're using some kind of a mode that might make it difficult for them to access the project, help give them a little instruction for doing that. Okay, so here are the groups, and these are solid as of right now. So here are the final groups for this last project or this last peer review. Make sure that you see all the members of your group. I tried to group you with similar projects, but to make it even, it wasn't always possible. Okay, so the other thing that you need to be thinking about this week is that your final project is due on Sunday. So almost a week from now, on the 11th, is when I need to have the final draft of your project. So make sure before you turn your project in that you look back over the assignment, read it carefully, and make sure that you have done everything that is asked. Also note that I will respond fully if you submitted by the 11th. If you submit after the 11th, there's no guarantee that I'll actually have time to respond to your work. I'll try to have time enough to grade it, but I really hope that you try your best to submit it by the 11th. If that's not possible, I hope that you will contact me ahead of time. Well, I will be in my full office hours this week, so make sure that you are contacting me if you have any questions about your project. Next week, instead of a final exam, I'll post a reflection assignment in this classroom. That is your final exam for the class. There's no formal time that you have to do it. Don't spend more than a couple of hours on it. It's a short review a reflection that I hope that you think about thoughtfully and write a nice reflection to me. It's not something that should be super rigorous, but it should be insightful to your writing process. So I hope everyone's doing well. Take care. I know this is a really stressful couple of weeks for everyone, but here's the benefit of being in college. As soon as finals are over, we all get a couple of weeks completely off and away from school to refresh. Take care, everyone.